Although we often need our architectural technical drawings serious and well conventional, but at times we can make them more fun and artistic just by adding some colors and some textures and some cute elements or drawings. So let's begin. We are starting off from the ground, or in this case, underground. I honestly can't tell. I'm selecting the ground area. I'm creating a duplicate or a copy of my selection. And then I'm applying my desired color and texture to the selected area by using clipping mask. And I'm using blending mode to make a pleasant combination of the color and the texture. And now I'm drawing a huge vibrant sun. And now I'm adding a texture to my sun. I'm basically adding texture to anything I draw. It's cause I believe the textures can take away the flatness from pictures. And now it's time to add some colors and textures to my sky. I'm going back to my original section layer, and on that layer I can make a selection of my sky. And then I'm transferring my selected area to the top, above the other layers. And once again, I'm adding the color and the texture. Here's a friendly reminder. Try to manage and group your layers. It makes your process so much easier. Let's bring some trees. And now I'm going back to my background layer and I'm selecting the section parts of this drawing. I'm making a copy. And I'm moving it to the top. I'm bringing my texture and I'm adjusting the size of it. And I'm making a copy of my texture. And I'm merging these two layers together. And I'm repeating these exact steps for the elevation parts of the drawing. Okay, I'm doing the final touches, and soon we'll be over with this edit. And at the end, I'm adding more trees, and we're done. If you like this video, please hit subscribe to my YouTube channel, and it would be a huge support if you give me a thumbs up. Have a great day!